Hey everybody, it's Lon Seidman. A viewer wrote in asking me to pick up the new Surface Laptop Go 2. So I did, and we'll be doing a review on this in the near future. And we're going to unbox it though in this video. Now in the interest of full disclosure, I paid for this with my own funds. All of the opinions you're about to hear are my own. No one is paying for this unboxing, nor is anyone reviewing it or approving it before it gets uploaded. And what I like about the Surface Laptop Go, because I have the prior version, is that it's a really compact, nice little 12-inch laptop that is very well built. It's got very nice industrial design, but it's not all that expensive. And if you're looking for a nice machine that isn't all that pricey but feels pricey, this is something to look at. It's got a nice touchscreen here. It's a 12.2-inch display. It's not very high resolution though. It runs at under 1080p, so you're not going to get, a lot of creative work done with it. But if you are someone who just needs a laptop that is not that expensive and nice to walk around with, this one certainly is it. It feels a lot like the prior version, about the same weight at 2.48 pounds. Like the prior edition, and I'll give you the overhead view here, we have a full-size USB-A port, a full-service USB-C port, and a headphone jack. And then on the other side here, you have your power connector, which uses that Microsoft magnetic thing. And I'll take it out of the box in a second. But you can also charge it through the USB Type-C. And yep, it's already talking to me here. And actually, that's how I charge my other one mostly, is through the USB-C port through a docking station. So we'll set this up in a little bit. Let's see what else is in the box here. And it looks like we've got some instructions, and then we have that power adapter. And this is like a MagSafe kind of thing, and Microsoft's been doing this on the Surface devices for, I think, forever since they came out. And what's nice about this power adapter, once I get it out of the box here, is that should you trip over the cable, it detaches very nicely and easily without dragging the laptop away with you. This is a 39-watt power adapter. This, by the way, has an i5 processor, an 11th generation chip, and it has better graphics performance than the prior edition, so this does have the Iris Xe graphics. But the i5 Xe in this generation is not as powerful as the i7, but there's no i7 variant available. And as you can see, that magnetic cord there just breaks away. Decent trackpad. I'll have to look at this in a little closer detail when we do the full review. You have your fingerprint sensor here like the old one. I do not believe the keyboard is backlit. The last edition did not have a backlit keyboard, and I don't believe this one does either. But we will confirm that when we get into the full review. But overall, not bad. It feels very similar to the prior edition, and it should perform a little better. So stay tuned. We're going to have a full review of this coming up very soon. So I will get that up hopefully before the end of the week. And until next time, this is Lon Seidman. Thanks for watching.
This channel is brought to you by the Lon.TV supporters, including gold level supporters Chris Allegretta, Brian Parker, Hot Sauce and Video Games, Baby Metal Fox God, Tom Albrecht, Amda Brown, Matt Zagaya, and Tech Time with Eric. If you want to help the channel, you can by contributing as little as $1 a month. Head over to lon.tv/support to learn more. And don't forget to subscribe. Visit lon.tv/s.